Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fillable form in Salesforce, step by step. Whether you're capturing leads or managing cases, this guide will make building your form effortless and efficient. Let's dive in. Start by heading to the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Click it and select Advanced Setup from the dropdown. This section is your gateway to customizing Salesforce to match your business needs. Once you're in Advanced Setup, use the search bar to find the right tool. If you're focusing on lead generation, type in Web to Lead. For case management, search for Web to Case. Click the option that fits your goal. It will take you directly to the area where you can start building your form. Next, you'll see an option to create a Web to Lead or Web to Case form. Click it and you'll be guided to the form setup page. Here, you'll find a list of available fields. Think about what information is most valuable for your operations. Common choices are name, email, and company. Selecting the right fields ensures you collect the data you need to build strong client profiles or efficiently manage cases. After choosing your fields, it's time to decide where users will go after submitting the form. Set a return URL. This is typically a thank you page confirming the submission and explaining next steps. Adding security is essential, so enter your reCAPTCHA API key. This step helps prevent spam and ensures only real users submit your form, protecting the integrity of your data. Once everything is set, click Generate. Salesforce will create the HTML code for your form, handling all the technical work behind the scenes. The final step is to implement the form on your website. Simply copy the generated HTML code and paste it into the section of your site where you want the form to appear. And that's it. By following these steps, you now have a fully functional, fillable Salesforce form that integrates seamlessly with your website. This powerful tool will help you capture leads and manage cases more effectively, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a Salesforce tip. See you in the next video.